Hey Zainab, how was your weekend?
Hi, Ali. It was great. I went to my cousin's house and we had so much fun. What about you?
Nice. Mine was okay. I mostly stayed home and studied for the English test.
Oh, right. The test is tomorrow. I haven't revised the grammar part yet.
Don't worry, it's mostly tenses and active passive voice. We can revise together if you want.
That would be great. Thanks, Ali. You're always helpful.
No problem. By the way, did you finish the Urdu homework?
Not yet. I totally forgot about it. Is it the essay on my favorite personality?
Yes, I wrote about Allama Iqbal. It was easy. I can show you my notes later.
You're a lifesaver. I'll copy it in my own words, don't worry.
Sure. Okay, break time's almost over. Let's head to class.
Yeah, let's go. Thanks again for helping with studies, Ali.
Anytime, Zainab. See you in class.